Cheers, baby. Good to be back. Back in LA. This video is sponsored by fucking us. New Full Send drop, February 10th. You guys have been asking for new merch. FullSend.com, 2 weeks.
Lots of good shit here.
Oh, Brad.
What's good, Brad?
What the fuck did I say?
Forgot to tell you guys, we're homeless right now, so we're crashing at Uncle Bradley's house.
Yeah, but what did I say?
What?
It's really simple. 2 rules. Look, no.
What?
What did I say? Smoking.
Dude, this
Get the fuck out of my house.
This is a vaporizer.
You walk right out there, and that's not a vaporizer. Walk right out there, you're good.
No,
I'm not
Brad.
fucking with you. I'm not fucking with you. Go smoke outside.
There's bad lighting outside. How am I gonna film my videos, dude?
Wait, what's that smell? There's something. Did you put something in the oven?
Shit out of here.
Are you cooking something? What the fuck?
Oh, you guys are planting shit on me now.
This is starting to make sense now.
Brad, can I have some?
Oh, you could. It's not mine. You can have all of it.
Living at Brad's off camera and on camera is 2 different things. Why don't you at least just show us around a little bit? Because we have to show the fans.
The laundry room's over here. The game room's over here.
This is where the dog sleeps? What's this? Like a list of like tricks and shit, or
I don't even know what that is. I haven't seen that.
people I owe money?
It's funny, but
Hector, Pablo, who's Chainsaw?
chainsaw.
And why do you owe him $4,267?
Chainsaw? Let me see this. Why would I write this?
Don't forget.
And this is not my handwriting.
Hey, yo,
Yeah,
Brad?
just because it's this. What's up?
You got any more of those fucking notes videos, dude? Oh, hey. Didn't know you guys were filming you. Sorry about that.
So you're in on this too now. You probably wrote this shit. This is some shit you
First
would
of all,
write.
we all know I do not know how to write. So, make Boob and Mo disappear, okay?
What?
Make people think Steve is actually the drug dealer, even though I am.
Why would I sell drugs with 2 exclamation points? I don't know, bro. Listen, you guys are all in on this shit.
Wax chest for
I might
Miami.
actually do that.
Oh, so you would do this?
I'd wax
More
chest.
cigarettes.
I don't smoke cigarettes. Everyone knows that.
Go to Rub and Tug and Tarzana.
I mean, I was like, maybe.
Man, fuck, I don't care. I just want my fucking coke.
I don't care.
I am
I
fucking
don't
strung
care.
out, man. It's
Don't.
been days.
Look, fuck you guys. You guys are fucking
Brad.
stupid. Xbox, video games, PlayStation, all that.
Xbox, huh? You have an Xbox. This is not a PS4.
This is not funny.
You play
It's
this.
definitely a PlayStation, though.
Coke?
Get that?
Oh, because I said Coke? Fuck you. Here, take your shit.
Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Steve, you wanna make me a protein shake?
Is this yours, Brad?
Look at that, Brad, with the gun.
Fake guns? Wow, okay.
Brad,
It's a fake gun.
At the door? Someone shut the door.
Doorbell, dude.
What? Get it. You're sitting there. Get it then. Get it, bro. You're just gonna sit there the whole time. What's up?
Yo, you Bradley?
Yeah.
Got a package for you. What's
Is
the
it
file?
Postmates?
Send his condolences.
You guys
Drug
really?
deal.
You guys are
Drug
really?
deal.
You guys are really doing this?
Wow!
Gotcha.
Yes!
You guys are really. This is the thing you guys are doing now,
Brad on camera, fucking
bro.
drug deal.
Here's the money you paid these guys to fucking show up.
We'll take your drug
Yeah,
money.
take it. Trying to set me up, man. What are you doing with that? What are you doing? What the fuck you doing with that? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Someone assist me.
Assist you? You're not smoking, especially not fucking cigarettes in my house. Get the fuck out of here.
Someone light it for me.
No one's lighting that shit.
Torch, someone get the torch.
Give me this shit.
Bring him over the stove!
You ain't smoking this fucking cigarette in my house.
I will light it! It will get lit!
Yo. Smell that goddamn cigarette. Out of here. Motherfucker. Look at that. What are you gonna take Bam? Bam! Come here.
Oh my god.
You're kidding me.
So we're gonna go get Bradley Martin, see how he reacts. Does he know we're doing this as a prank? No. He's probably gonna get mad.
So, Brad, we moved in about a week ago.
Yeah.
How's it been?
It's been interesting, man. I think the biggest thing is Steve smoking in the fucking house. Should have seen that coming, motherfucker. Is that the microphone? Huh? Is that a mic?
It's a big ball like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a big ball.
This is expensive though.
Like the mic is used for porn. That's why it's like that. It's a ball.
Why do you need like a
Because it all has to do with like circumference and volume and like surface area.
Oh,
For
really?
like porn when you're like filming. It just captures like the loud noises and stuff.
Funny.
Smell it.
I don't
Trust me,
wanna
smell
put
it. Smell it.
I don't want to put it.
Alright. Can you smell it? Oh, fuck. I thought this was like a movie. Okay, take care.
my god. Oh my god. I'm tripping mushrooms. I thought you were like legit a towel.
I just have like a terrible flu going on, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so you fucking sneeze all over the back.
But I can't control
and you
it.
have the flu.
I can't control
Yeah,
it.
you can. You got to do a better job for me, okay? All right. Thanks.
I can't. I'm sorry,
Appreciate it.
I can't. I'm sorry. I just have. I'm sorry. My nose is fucked up. I'm sorry.
I don't give a fuck, bro.
Oh my god. Oh. Dude. Did I get you?
Holy shit, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh. Dude, what the fuck, dude?
Did I? Oh my god. I'm sorry, I have the flu. No, my bad.
What are you doing, dude?
My bad,
Right
man.
up to my back and did that on purpose.
No, I really can't
You
control.
did. I've seen you do it. Your buddies are right there, I guess, huh?
Do you have like wipes?
No, I don't.
Can I like use your shirt
No,
real quick?
You can't.
Let me just help.
Touch me.
Let me. Do you have wipes though?
No. Go buy your own wipes. Touch me. You will be in trouble.
Bro, I think he's snitching. Hold on.
They're walking around sneezing.
Don't be filming people in the store.
Hey,
Don't be filming people in the store. Here, I could send you this footage if you want to.
that's right. I got it on my own. So. That's the sneezer right there. Walks around sneezing on people and then wants wiped.
Two
Wants to wipe it
sneezers.
on your shirt.
Two sneezers.
Can I use your shirt?
Here, I'll get your face. I got both their faces if you guys need the footage. Just let me know. Just let me know if anything.
You better be careful. He'll sneeze on your face and get you all wet.
What do you mean?
This guy, he did it to me. Did it to me too.
Sneeze? What do you mean?
Yeah. Just that. Sneeze and get you all wet and all over you.
On you?
Yes, and him too.
Why did you just go to the bathroom and get a Kleenex, bro?
I mean, I
Why
asked
don't
for
you
them.
go home, go to the hospital, get some help.
Can I use your shirt real quick? Just to.
You're an asshole.
Sir, time to leave the store.
Okay.
I'm asking you to leave the store.
Okay. I'm gonna buy this basketball, but yeah.
Didn't wanna at the way, so I got it. Got a little money from this shit, so I bought it. Pulling out fast and the kid hop out it.
Full fucking Sandboy.
Boys.
Full fucking Sandboys.
Oh yeah, full send. Let's go.
Okay.
Cheers. What's your favorite sandwich?
Oh, pastrami.
Pastrami.
Yes.
Oh wow, that says a lot about you.
Yeah, I know. I saw you and I was like, that person looks familiar.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Fuck that
Alright, so we're in the hood, I guess. Inglewood, California. Who's up? Salim? This is your video, bro.
I'll do it.
Salim's up first?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Alright, let's run it.
So don't get mad at me, but my boy Jay over here.
Yeah, when we get caught doing a prank, I'm like, sorry, he's kind of on the slow side, And then
I like it.
They just
Blame it on autism.
You can't be mad because we're doing this for you guys. So
Yeah.
My bad, man. I kind of have like a flu disease. My bad. It's like.
I don't care about all that. Don't be doing that shit, man.
It's just like it's just.
I don't care about all that. Don't be sneezing on me.
I can't control it though.
You don't come around. You intentionally did that shit.
No,
You in my pocket. I'm gonna beat you down. You're gonna put it in pocket.
man, I can't, bro.
Fuck you guys.
I just got a flu disease. That's it. That's
You
it.
guys up there filming that shit. What the fuck you doing, man? Putting that shit on YouTube, fool?
I just got allergies. Oh my god.
I thought I was gonna get stabbed. Honestly.
Yeah, he was chasing him.
Yes, because I didn't know if he was trying to get Jay or
Both
if he was
of
trying
you guys.
Yeah, because I was like, I gotta run out of here.
They're calling.
Fucking seatbelt. Fuck, that guy was mad.
That ain't cool, man. What's that? I know you pulled it out of your pocket. Why are you filming that? Hey, you don't got the copyright, Paul. You don't got the copyright. Remember that. They're filming shit up in here. Copyright infringement. Remember that.
I'm sorry, bro. It's just a common cold.
Oh, thanks.
I'm sorry, man.
Dick.
Did I get you? Did I get you? My bad. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Is that a fucking shit? Tell me it's a fucking prank. It's a prank. Tell me it's a fucking prank right now.
You see any good bikes here, man? Just looking for one for my little sister.
Your little sister?
Yeah. She's like a really hot little sister too, so I want to get her like a nice bike, you know?
You know what? I was thinking about one of them for my girl. She's
Yeah.
a little small.
Oh, your little girl? Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Hey, don't do that fake shit with me, bro.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm just. Oh! I'm just playing. Okay. Okay. You got me good. Okay. I know. You got me good. Okay. My bad. I'm good. I'm good.
Nah, fuck all that. Delete all that shit, bro. Delete that shit right now, bro.
It's gone. It's gone.
Right now,
I just did, bro. I don't want you to destroy the camera. It's gone.
Delete that shit right now, bro.
You gotta bounce. Oh shit.
I need y'all to get up here to Walmart real quick. We gonna teach these niggas a lesson, bro. Hey, bring all the guys. Bring all of them. Bring everybody right now, bro. Y'all know who I am, bro.
What the
I have a present for you.
Oh, you got my hat.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, I thought he took it. How are the punches? He called like 7 people,
Bro, he said, let me call Lito and the boys. I was like, what?
Lito and the boys.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound like a nice squad. Hey, yo, let's peel out.
Yeah,
Let's
let's
peel out
go.
of this
Yeah,
area.
I'm scared. How'd it go?
Oh, man.
That's not.
We were just talking about that.
Yeah.
Yo, that's dope.
We needed you there. We needed you there, bro.
Damn, this morning we were literally training and then we were like, yo, if you got fucking smacked, it's like, it's a win.
That guy was not playing, bro.
Yeah.
And then he called his boys. He made 7 phone calls in like 25 seconds. It's like, yo, pull up right now. Yo, Lito, pull up with all the boys and shit. Hank, this guy was going fucking crazy.
Oh, man. Over. Oh, shit. That sounds like a banger then.
Yeah. I think we gotta start bringing you along for every prank.
I'm down, bro.
Just for backup. Alright, yo, thanks for watching. If you guys are fucking new to the channel, we upload videos every single Monday at 8:30, so make sure you fucking subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to Salim as well. He's gonna be uploading every Thursday, he said.
Yeah.
We always shoot bangers when we're together, so. Alright, boys, so we just made a tweet out to the fans saying that I got punched 3 times in the face while filming. And then if you scroll down to the replies, someone fucking replied to the tweet, and I guess they have the guy on Facebook that fucking snuffed me, and he posted the video on his Facebook. Look, so that's his Facebook right there.
Boom! Wow. Fucking got you.
It only has 2,000 views on his Facebook. So one of those 2,000 people fucking, I guess, knew who we are, fucking saw it, and then checked our Twitter and sent it to us. Fucking pop up the clip right now.
He call himself fake sneezing on me in Walmart, bro. He call himself fake sneezing on me in Walmart. So now I'm finna put him on real video. You gonna go viral on this, bro. You gonna go viral on this.
K-Roll remix, really rockin' finesse on a private jet, coolin' with my niggas from the jet. We done made it out the set, from the bus to the vet. She gon' give me hella neck, I don't care if it's wet.